So starting off with JavaScript, because that's what I'm going to start off with. It says basic JavaScript. It has 111 topics in this one. So let's start off with introducing JavaScript. It says JavaScript is a high-level programming language that all modern web browsers support. It is also one of the core technologies of the web, along with HTML, CSS that you may have learned previously. This section will cover basic JavaScript programming concepts, which range from variables to rhythmic and objects and loops. So, that's upcoming lesson. So it says, view curriculum note. Let's go to the first lesson. Basic JavaScript. Comment your JavaScript code. So it's just basically telling you how you would comment in JavaScript. Yep, so you can use for single line, double, and you can write something. And then for multiple lines, it's the same way, I guess, you would write it in JavaScript. Next line, blah, blah. And you know it's commented out because it's green. And then you will close it off when you want to stop. And then you can, I guess, continue writing your JavaScript. Oh no, it's not. Oh wait, have I done it properly? No, I haven't. I haven't closed it properly. Yeah, here we go. That's much better. So the two forward slashes is for single lines. If I was to go on the next line and type, as you can see, it changes color. And okay, the forward slash and the star. I forgot what to call that word of this, but anyway, does multi lines, and you always have to close off when you do multi lines. Obviously, because it's on multi lines, to tell your code when to stop commenting. So yeah, that's cool. I knew that. Run the test. Oh, you can run the test. Let me get rid of this bar. Run test. Run test. Okay. Pull out all the stops. Basic JavaScript 1% clean. So okay, I've done that. Submit and go to next challenge. Okay, so I've done the first challenge. That was pretty smooth.